Hi there. Today I will be showing you how to get free storage on Dropbox for getting our free storage on Dropbox. There is no official way by which you can get the story because in the free plan of Dropbox, you will get 2 GB storage. And if you want to get more, then you have to purchase a plan. Now this might sound limiting at first, especially if you work with large files or store lots of documents online, but without purchasing a plan, you will get up to 5 TB free storage, and that will be for next 30 days. And after that 30 days, you have to purchase a plan. So it means you can enjoy 5 TB free storage for up to the next 30 days. And if you have more emails, this free trial is great for temporary needs like sharing big files, backing up your computer, or testing Dropbox for your team. Then using each email and next month, you can get the storage. That means if you're a student or a freelancer with multiple email addresses, you can take advantage of this trial more than once. Just be sure to use a different account each time. Now how can we start our free trial? Here. You will see the option of account, click on it, and tap on the option Upgrade. Don't worry, starting the free trial doesn't mean you'll be charged right away. Once I will click on it, it's saying add detail about your credit card, by which I want to purchase the plan, because my free trial is already started. If you take a look on the top of the screen, here you can see your trial will end in next 30 days. This countdown helps you keep track of when your trial expires, so make sure to cancel if you don't plan to continue. And to keep using Dropbox for Team, I need to add my payment method. And in this free trial, how much storage I get. If I click on my account and I will tap on the option Setting. Now, click on the option Plan. All these settings are easy to navigate, and Dropbox makes it very clear how much space you're currently using. And here you can see, in this free trial, I have 5 TB data. That's a massive amount of storage, perfect for photos, videos, documents, and more. So if you want to get the 5 TB storage for free, then it will be for next 30 days, and start your free trial now and you will get this data. And that's it.